Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Focus TCM. First, locate the TCM, which is usually mounted on the transmission housing or near the battery. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather your tools, including a 10 mm socket, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before proceeding with any work. This prevents electrical shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's remove the old TCM. Begin by carefully disconnecting all electrical connectors attached to the module. These connectors often have locking tabs that need to be pressed or slid to release. Once the connectors are free, use your 10 mm socket to unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the TCM to its bracket. After removing the bolts, gently pull the old TCM away from its mounting position. With the old TCM removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new TCM with the mounting bracket and insert the original mounting bolts. Tighten these bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 8 to 10 foot-pounds, to ensure a secure fit. Finally, reconnect all electrical connectors to the new TCM, making sure each one clicks into place, indicating a firm and proper connection. After installing the new TCM, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Ford Focus and allow it to idle for a few minutes. The final crucial step is to perform a TCM calibration using a compatible diagnostic scan tool. This process ensures the new module communicates correctly with your vehicle's systems, optimizing shift points and overall transmission performance. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.